So, there is a new wave that's happening on the YouTube right now, and that is going to make millionaires. And I am talking about GTA 6 because in 2013, GTA 5 created thousands of full-time YouTubers. Some people built million-dollar businesses from one game. And in a few months, it's happening again. Except this time, we know it's coming. Here's the thing everyone keeps saying. GTA 6 is the biggest opportunity, but nobody tells you what actually to do. Before I tell you my plan, let me explain why you should even listen to me. Over the last few years, I've built multiple GTA channels from scratch. For example, this channel I started got its first video blown up crossing 900k views making me $1,300 right away. And if you see, the video is getting more than 55% of views from search in the last 48 hours. Which tells you that there is demand and people are searching for GTA content. And this channel in the last 28 days has made me $4.5k and it's US. I am showing you that because I am not asking you to believe me. I'm asking you to look at the results first. Now, there are dozens of ways to make money from GTA 6. Streaming, editing, merch, freelancing. But if I had to start over today, I'll pick YouTube. Here's why. Over the last few years, I've built multiple GTA YouTube channels and together they made me nearly $5,000 in just last 28 days. Let me show you the proof. This GTA channel made me $4,500 in the last 28 days. That's not quite $5,000 by itself, but I have another GTA channel as well. Let me pull up that real quick. This one made me $533 in the last 28 days without uploading a single video. So let me grab my calculator. Okay, so $4,494 plus $533 equals $5,027 in just last 28 days. And that's not even my best month so far. And also, that's even before the launch of GTA 6. So you can see how much you can make after the plug is pulled, aka GTA 6 is released. Today, I'm going to show you the exact business I am building around GTA 6 and why I believe it can eventually become a 7-figure business. So GTA 6 is expected to release in about 3 months, which is a very short time frame. If you want to capitalize on the hype surrounding the game, you need to start right now. The first thing you should do is start a YouTube channel if you haven't already, focusing on GTA related content. Keep in mind that it doesn't have to be exclusively about GTA 6. You can create content about GTA 5 or anything else related to GTA franchise. The goal is to start building an initial audience and try to understand what works and what doesn't. So by the time GTA 6 arrives, you know how the audience will respond to certain topics or have an idea what actually works and what doesn't. By building an initial audience, you will be in much better position when GTA 6 launches. So the question you should ask me, okay, I will create a YouTube channel, but what type of content should I make? Well, the method you can use is seeing the outliner videos of other creators and making videos around the same topic. Now, what is an outliner? Outliner is a video that performs significantly better than creator's typical average. For example, if you look at this YouTube channel, this video right here is an outliner for this YouTuber. You can see that before uploading this video, he was basically getting no views. 55 views, 64 views, 42 views. But this video about useless facts about IGI got 266,000 views. That's a breakout video for him. It performed significantly better than all of his previous videos, which tells you that people are clearly interested in that specific topic. But just remember, add your own unique angle or twist. And let me be honest with you, bro. I'm a realist and I don't want to get your hopes up or make it seem like I'm trying to sell you some kind of dream. The truth is, not everyone who gets into this niche is going to become rich. Quality still matters. This isn't some magic niche where you can start posting videos and instantly blow up overnight. That just doesn't exist here. You still have to put in the work, you need to make good content, stay consistent, and keep improving if you actually want to grow your channel. The opportunity is definitely there, but it's up to you to take the advantage of it. So here what you can do to stay out of 99% of people who will get into this niche. Here's what worked for me. Don't copy, because even if you get views once, you won't be able to build a recognizable channel. People subscribe to creators who offer a fresh perspective, not another version of what they've already watched. And with YouTube leveraging Gemini to deeply analyze video content, the algorithm now evaluates a video's transcript, visuals, and overall value. If a video exactly clones another creator's script, title or thumbnail, the system may suppress it because the algorithm now filters out unoriginal and redundant content to prioritize information gain. Traditional metrics like CTR and average view duration still matters, but they have evolved. YouTube now prioritizes viewer satisfaction and meaningful value over raw watch time and clickbait. If you remember, some months ago there were thousands of World War II channels doing the exact same shit over and over again, and they get views because of algorithm push. But now it's simply not possible. Now it's not like you have to invent your own wheel. What you can do is put a new rim on it, aka change the packaging. For example, if there is a video on GTA 5 story explained, now instead of copying same title, script or thumbnail, you can change the packaging. Like for title, instead of story explained, write something like GTA 5 story told like a movie. Now we are discussing the same story of GTA 5 but from a different angle. And that's what YouTube loves. The same goes for other things as well. Another question a lot of people ask is quality versus quantity. Which one? Well, in my opinion, both in the beginning of the journey. If you upload once per month, making every single frame perfect, every single word of a script perfect, you will end up exhausting yourself on the very first video. And if it doesn't get views, you will most likely quit. According to Mr. Beast's 100 video rule, which says make 100 videos first and see how they do to learn the craft.
All you need to do, this applies to people who have not uploaded videos but have dreams of being a YouTuber, is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking, like maybe you can get some views, but you know, your first 100 are gonna suck.
One more thing Mr. B said is quality is better than quantity. It's easier to get 10 million views on one video than 100k views on 100 videos, emphasizing that doubling effort can lead to 10x the results.
The best way to get views, in my opinion, I think it's better to really focus on quality if you're a very small YouTuber, and you can upload a video a day and like all the videos be average, and like none of those videos will really stand out. None of it's like epic enough where like the algorithm's gonna go, oh, this video is good, like we need to spread it. I feel like a lot of small YouTubers, they just post like videos that aren't bad, but they're not great, and they just do that, and none of them ever pop off.
And there is one reality check which you will realize specifically in this niche. Gaming community is one of the most aggressive and sensitive communities on YouTube when it comes to AI generated content. If viewers realizes that you are using an AI voiceover or an obviously AI written script, the first thing many of them will do is dislike the video and comment AI slop, AI, another AI YouTube channel, etc. Even if the information in the video is completely accurate. It is surprisingly easy for them to tell when a script is AI generated because tools like ChatGPT tends to have recognizable writing patterns, and gamers are smart enough to recognize it. At the end of the day, you can use AI as a tool, but you can't completely replace the human touch. So you will have to do your own research and possibly clone your own voice if you're too shy on the mic, so it sounds realistic and authentic, because voice clone is far better than generic AI voice. Another thing I hear all the time is, isn't it too late? And honestly, yes, it will. The competition is going to explode, but here's the most important part. Demand is also going to explode. Think about it, GTA 6 isn't just getting more creators, it's getting millions of new viewers as well. More viewers usually means more room for creators who make something worth watching. As you can see right here, there is a huge spike in search graph of GTA 6, which tells us that people are searching massively for GTA 6. There is demand, you're just one channel away. But here's what I think, the competition is a lot smaller than you think. When GTA 6 launches, most creators will chase the obvious. Gameplay videos, funny moments, simple clips with no context rather than the game itself. The opportunities often come from serving audience looking for explanations, analysis, guides, lore, comparison and stories. I'm going to document everything, the video that succeeded, the videos that completely flopped, the mistakes, the experiments, the money, everything. Because I don't just want this channel to teach GTA creators, I want it to become the proof that the strategies actually work. Whether I reach $1 million goal or not, you will see every step here.